Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check OPPO model with code. So you can search a secret dial codes out there from the internet. So for example, you can check this OPPO phone with the email with this secret codes. For example, this one for a this is the code, and this is the email. And you can try another code, but sometimes the code will not show you information like this, or with like this invalid. So you can try again later. So you can try to search the code in the internet. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.